Hello everyone and welcome to another Renaissance Men video by Mideon. As you guys probably know or don't know, on the podcast sometimes we do talk about phones and we've not really gone into it, but I am a massive technology enthusiast. So I get a new phone, when the big new phones come out, I always get them. So for the new Pixel, the new Samsung, and the new iPhone, which is what we're here for today. So I've just picked up a iPhone 13 Pro Max from the Apple Store. Never bought one from an Apple Store before. Just a little bit about that experience. It was okay. I like gold dust in this country, the Pro Maxes at least. I don't know about anywhere else in the world. But yeah, it was quite difficult to reserve for release day. This is currently Sunday. So 2 days after release, but I was just constantly refreshing the Apple app just to see if I could get one, which I obviously did. So I reserved it for pickup today, went in, and even though it was reserved, I still had to wait about half an hour in a queue. Speaking to the guy at the Apple Store, he was saying Christmas and launch weekends are the busiest times, and the store was absolutely rammed. There was a few idiots there arguing with the Apple employees saying they wanted to go straight in. They didn't want to queue to purchase a phone, but everyone else was queuing. They just wanted to skip the queue. But anyway, yeah, so let's get on with it. So obviously this is sealed. I've not opened it. And I've never unboxed a phone before, but I know from experience that all my serial number and IMEI and all that is on the back of this box. So we're not gonna fully show the back of the box, but there are a couple of things that I wanted to show. It's how thin the box is. So if you've not bought an iPhone for a few years, you might think, oh, this box is quite thin. Now, Apple started doing from last year with the iPhone 12s is not putting a charger in the box. Now, you probably already knew because it was all over the news and everything. But yeah, so literally, we'll open it in a minute and we'll see what you get. But this is why the boxes are so thin. There's no charger in the box. So let me turn it over to here so we don't get my IMEI and serial number in the picture. So another interesting thing that you may see with this, if you're used to buying an iPhone, is there's no plastic anymore. So they've got rid of the plastic, and there's this little seal at the top instead of plastic. Apparently you pull this tab here and it breaks the seal inside the box and then the whole box opens. So let's give it a go. Let's see what happens. I've never done this before. So there we go. That peeled away quite easily. So let's see if our box now opens. Now you see people shaking these, don't you, on openings and that, and the phone coming out and breaking. I'm not going to do that. So there we go. So there's a sticker on the bottom. Let me just try and get rid of that. So not a sticker, it's actually another one. So let me peel that off as well. There we go. So I think Apple get quite a lot of stick for some of the things they do, like taking the charger out of the box. They're saying it's to save the environment. Cynical people like myself are probably like, well, it's to make you spend more money on another charger or migrate to a wireless charger or something like that, which is fair enough. But the thing with the tabs instead of the plastic, that is a good idea. You can't refute that. Hopefully a lot of phone manufacturers start doing that, and technology manufacturers, at large start doing that for everything. We don't need plastic shrink wrap around all these products. It is a waste. So round two. So let's open the phone and have a look at it. First impressions, the camera bump is quite big compared to the 12 Pro Max. It sticks out a little bit. Oh, it's a big boy. But the colour, Sierra Blue, fantastic. We've still got our lightning port, which a lot of people are up in arms about still, that it's not USB Type-C, but there was a court ruling passed a few days ago, which means that all European countries, which we're obviously not now, but I don't think it will matter, next year, I think, from next year, you have to have a unified port, so all these ports need to be USB-C. Now, I think with wireless technology, how it is now, I think Apple are eventually going to remove the port. So I think they might take that as an opportunity to jump ahead a little bit and take the port out completely. So there'll be no port in it. But let's take this nice little screen protector off. It's got little icons there, look, for where the buttons are. So we're not going to power it on today. There we go. So we're not going to power this on today. We'll put that down there. Bang. Cracked it. And then this is just solely for an unboxing. So if you guys want me to compare it to the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, let me know in the comments, or give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and just let us know if you want to see those kind of videos on the channel. So what I did plan to do, if you guys are up for it, is for me to compare it, like I just said, to the 12 Pro Max and the S21 Ultra. We can do a few speed tests, and I can give my first impressions on the phone when it's all set up and all that kind of stuff. So what we get in the box, the really thin box, like I said, is a lightning cable. As we just discussed, these will be a thing of the past from next year. I don't think they'll make these anymore. But like I say, I think they'll go fully wireless. And then these are just a SIM pin. Take the SIM out, an Apple sticker. They always give you these Apple stickers, and it really annoys me when... And I think the people I used to work with know that it annoys me. They used to put these stickers over the back of like Windows PCs. I don't know why. It's just, you know, an OCD thing, probably infuriates me. But yeah, there's a little manual in there, stickers, and that's it, guys. So yeah, that's literally it. That's all you get in the box. And that's why the box is so thin, because literally you just get the label, charger, and the phone. So I'm going to go and set the phone up. I'm going to go away with it, go out for a walk, see what the battery's like, play with it for a little bit, spend some time with it, and then let me know if you want to see comparison videos with other phones. What we can also do, if you guys want to see it, is like the other YouTube channels do, but most of the other YouTube channels are based in America, so it'll be nice to see some more British channels do it. But we can do some photography comparisons, video comparisons, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, let us know in the comments if you want to see that. But for now, I hope you enjoyed unboxing the brand new iPhone 13 Pro Max. Catch you later. Bye.